Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix this PC or my computer icon is missing in your PC or laptop. So here you can see my laptop is don't have any kind of my PC or this computer icon. There you can see it's missing. So how can I fix it? In this tutorial I will show you that. So for that you just need to right click on your mouse, and then you need to go on personalize at the last option. Okay, after doing that, what should you do? You just need to go on themes. Here you can see this is themes, so open on it, and now your PC screen is small, then you need to go on right side, or if your PC screen is more bigger, then you need to scroll down. But my PC screen is small, so for that I just go on right side, and there have an option for desktop icon settings. There you can see desktop icon settings, so open on it, and now here you can see this is this PC. So I just select this option computer, just mark this option, and then okay. After then okay, then go move to on your home screen, and then there you can see your this PC or my computer option is showing here. So in this way you can fix this missing problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.